Welcome to your dream warehouse, decked out with a technology center, command center, and over 10 demos. Let's take a step inside to see the technology that's running this dream. This way! Every dream warehouse needs accurate inline pallet inspection. You'll find this in the receiving area. Moving on to inbound and unloading, you will see our turnkey palletizing and depalletizing solution, a must for every modern warehouse. And you know our modern warehouse would not be complete without the protection of risk reduction measures in machinery, classic, and any storage and handling area. With a warehouse of this caliber, it's all about the finer details. That's why we have image-based code identification in our sortation operation. And you just can't miss the shipping area. Package validation and data capture is essential in this new era of modern warehouse style. And finally, you can't call it a dream warehouse if you don't have a space dedicated to outbound operations. Just doesn't feel like home without precise goods auditing. That's it. All the elements you need for a dream warehouse. See the extended episode for yourself in booth S1247.